Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This same source will provide the picture of hobby as this line. Western Pazovis, politely had particularly Borman and Paz Arnell. Product managers such as Van Horn L, the crypto stem stand during the volcanic. Paz H and Paz NL crypto stem on display at the RAI Convention Center in Amsterdam. Stock market today. Dow earns lower as positive tumble continues. The Dow cut some losses Thursday, but remained firmly in the red as growth sector of the market, including consumer and tech stock, floundered on fears that the Federal Reserve increasingly hawkish stance could tip the economy into recessions. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 3% or 107 points. The Nasdaq was down 4% and the S&P 500 fell 9%. The rate of 75% rate hike on Wednesday was largely expected by its update forecast, pointing to further rate hikes raise the risk of recession. The higher the peak the Fed aims for, the greater the risk of recession. Morgan Stanley said in a note, a material slowdown in job gains, however, could pressure the Fed to take measures of the pace of policy tightening, it added. The bond market appears to price in the increasing risk of recession amid deeper inflation in the yield curve. The curve between the 2-year and 10-year Treasury yield are vulnerable to rising rate environment, such as tech and consumer stock led the broader market lower, but the move lower in the big tech, however, appeared to attract deep buyers as mega cap tech stock moved up session lows. Apple and Amazon.com Inc. were lower, while Meta platforms, Alphabet, and Microsoft corporations were in the green. As well as rising rates, consumer stock continue to reel from increasing geological tension as Russia, partially mobilizing other has clouded hopes of a resolution to the conflict. Healthcare stock said it stepped the selling, led by Merck and Company, Inc., Bristol Myers Squibb Company, and Eli Lilly and Company, with the latter boosted by an upgrade from UBS. UBS upgraded Eli Lilly and Company to buy from neutral and lifted its price target on the stock to $363 from $335, citing optimism about the drug maker's newly approved type 2 diabetes drug. The drug not only treats type 2 diabetes but was also shown to treat obesity. Energy stocks were also in the grid, underpinned by rising oil prices and fear that the escalation of the war in Ukraine could weigh on supplies. Wheeler Energy, Schlumberger, and Martin Petroleum Corp were among the biggest gains in the energy sector. In other news, Robinhood Markets reserves gains to turn negative despite reports that the Securities and Exchange Commission wants banned payment for other flows, a crucial source of revenue for the trading platform. The weekends in the broader market has pushed stock further into oversold territory, paving the way for a copy period ahead. Thus, we continue to anticipate a copy period for stock in the week ahead, nothing that after the decline of yesterday and today. Stock for the most part are pressing once again into oversold territory. Jenny Montgomery Scott said. Stock tumble, dollar soars, and bonds plunged as higher rates view. Global stock hit 2-year low on Friday. The dollar scaled a 22-year hike and bonds sold off again as fears grew that a central bank prescriptions of raising interest rates to tame inflation will drag major economies to recessions. Wall Street opened to a sea of red, following another leg down across European bourses, as a downturn in business activity across the Eurozone depended on U.S. business activity, contracted for a third straight month in September. British assets weakened further after hack debt financial tax cuts were announced that will boost government's borrowing and set up UK bond yield for their biggest daily raises in decades. Maybe that's all for me. Nice for attention. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.